Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
So, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Dolma Sherpa.
Okay. So, how old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Married?
Yes, I am married.
How many children do you have?
I have one children.
One. Okay. So, in which position you are going to apply?
Cleaning.
You have experience in any hotel, restaurant, office,
Yes.
anywhere?
Yes.
Where you worked before?
Hotel.
Hotel in Nepal, right?
Yes.
For how many experience do you have?
3.
3 years. Okay, very good. So, in which surface do you use to clean?
Toilet, bathroom, kitchen.
So, do you comfortable to cleaning toilet, bathroom?
Yes.
Okay, or?
Window, door, kitchen.
Very good.
Bed.
Very good.
Room.
So, do you comfortable to working like a cleaner?
Yes.
So, if you are going to clean these all things, as you told you the places, what things do you need? What stuff does require? Can you tell me the name that?
Water. Vacuums.
Okay.
Vacuums. Mop.
Okay.
Chemical.
Do you know how to make the form of chemical?
Chemical.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So do you know about the chemical, right?
Yes.
Very good. So do you know how to mopping the floor, vacuuming the floor?
Yes.
Very good. So if you have to work like sometimes 10 to 12 hours, will be okay for this one?
Yes. Okay.
Very good. So what's your religion? Your religion, you are Hindu, you are Christian, Buddhist?
Yes.
Okay. So do you drink?
No.
Smoke?
No.
Very good. If you selected, for how long will we stay there? How many years you like to be there?
4.
4 years. If you have to be there like 6 to 7 years, will be okay? Will be stay there?
Okay.
In same factory, hotel or something else? You'll be do your work?
Yes, I'm do.
Are you sure, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great day. All the best.